A street corner is extremely congested. No vehicle can move. The road drilling vehicle arrived and witnessed the traffic jam. It immediately turned around and decided to build a new road. First, it demolished the sidewalk to construct the road. Then, it removed some trees blocking the way. It continued demolishing the sidewalk to create an exit for the road. The bulldozer arrived to clear the road. Then, the construction team arrived and took care of the rest of the road. They spread gravel on the road. Then, they leveled the road. And then, they poured concrete onto the road.
Whoa!
And the road was completed. How wonderful!